How to change background without green screen in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora app and don't know how to change the background of the video without using the green screen, don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video or photo that you want to edit, just like this. Now to change the background, tap onto the video timeline track, just right here. Now tap on it. Now to change the background, first you need to create it. Now pinch or zoom the video just like this. And now you can see I have created a background now. Now to change the background, tap onto this arrow right here. Then scroll to your right on the toolbars and here you can find the background option right here. Now select it. Now simply change the color of the background just like this, or you can also add the photo from this album right here, or you can also add the blur just right here, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can change the background without the green screen in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.